Ever wanted a floral tattoo that won't last forever but will last several weeks? Earth Henna can help. Henna tattoos do not penetrate the skin, but they last a while. Henna is organic, safe for the skin, and dermatologically tested. If you are not sure about your ability to do art, try one of our beautiful flower tattoo stencils. All you have to do is mix the henna and hold the stencil where you want the tattoo for 30 seconds. Dab the henna over the stencil using the fine tip of the applicator bottle. Let it dry. That's it. That's simple. It should last up to 10 days depending on your skin's exposure. Order your henna kit, which includes flower tattoo stencil, and download different stencils today. Free shipping on domestic orders over $25. To place an order or see our selection of henna tattoo products, call 800-224-5600 or visit www.earthhenna.com today.